Hello, my amazing spider friends, and welcome back to the Web Weaver channel where I teach you how to weave your part of the World Wide Web. It's been a good long time, 4 months according to my analytics, since I posted, and I apologize for that. I got very sucked into a job that ended up not panning out as I had hoped for it to, and long story short, I wanted to get back to doing this. I've been itching to do it for a couple of days now, but I wanted to make sure I was in the right headspace and had the right idea for how to move forward. And I figure what better way to come back to the channel than to answer a question from one of you fine fellas out there. And the question I'm answering today is there a way to keep images aligned to the left or to the right of a page always so that you don't have to keep doing it? And the best way I can think of to do that would be to use the float property. And I'll show you how to do that right there. First thing we're going to do, we're going to comment this out of here all together. Okay. And then what we're going to do next is going to use image, since we're trying to do so with an image. And we're going to do float left to keep it floating left, or to make it more obvious to see, you float right. You see? And that will always be on the right. Every image will always be on the right. If you're trying to do images in like a crisscross way, you're going to have to come up with a way to like make it so that it does that. So by like specifying images specifically, if you want them left or right. But if you want all of the images on one side of the page, this is the best way to do it so that you don't got to keep doing it throughout your page. And there you have it, my fine furry friends. So if you think this video helped you, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be doing much better, hopefully, about answering questions, posting more often. I wanna get back to doing this. This is how I have fun. That being said, peace to the Middle East and adios from the West Coast from me. Goodbye.